Hey everybody, I'm doing a quick follow-up video to my original video where I posted how to install this motion sensor light. A couple of you have asked how I was able to position the sensor properly so that it would work. When you mount it like this as opposed to on the wall, you do have to make sure that the sensor is facing towards the front location of where you're trying to measure if there's any motion. And what's great is it tilts, twists, as well as pivots around on the arm, so you can really make this in any direction that you want to. You're going to make all your adjustments right here, and then all three of the lights here, they're able to move around, and you can focus those on particular problem areas that you need. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. Let me know if you have any more questions or comments. Thanks.